The first ever digital SAT is behind us, and students are already talking about it. One of the things I'm hearing is how challenging the English section was. Some students are arguing that it was more challenging than the Blue Book practice exams that College Board released. Now that said, there's definitely one type of question that you can ace with minimal effort on the digital SAT if you have the right strategy. I'm talking about these guys right here, these questions where you have some notes on the left and then you're asked to do something specific with those notes. These are actually called rhetorical synthesis questions, and they look kind of intimidating at first, but there's actually a really easy and straightforward way to deal with them. You're going to like this. All those notes on the left, ignore them. Do not look at them. We don't care about those. All you need to do is focus on the goal. The goal here is the student wants to emphasize a similarity between two works. So we really just want to hone in on similarity. And we can go through and eliminate. First answer, erasure uses discarded objects such as audio cassette tapes and magnets, homegrown, however. So here we are contrasting the two works. Goodbye. B, Tubbs' work, which often features discarded objects, has been shown both within the United States and abroad. We're supposed to emphasize a similarity between two works. This is not mentioning two works, so that's not going to work. Like many of Tubbs' sculptures, both erasure and homegrown include discarded objects. We are now comparing erasure and homegrown, which we can infer are, two works. And it's telling us what's similar. They both include discarded objects. So that sounds like the answer we want. Let's just eliminate to be safe. Tubbs completed erasure in 2008 and homegrown in 2009. Those are not similarities. And yeah, it's definitely going to be C. Let's do one more of these just for good measure. What are we going to do with the notes on the left? You're right, we're going to ignore them. The student wants to emphasize a difference in the origins of the two words. This should be pretty easy. We're looking for a difference rather than a similarity. Guerdon, the final word of the 2008 Scripps National Spelling Bee, is of Anglo-French origin, while the following year's final word, Laodicean, derives from ancient Greek. So that's certainly a difference in the origins. That sounds like a pretty good answer, but let's go and eliminate the others just to be safe. In 2008, Samir Mishra won the Scripps National Spelling Bee by correctly spelling the word Guerdon. However, the following year, Kavya... Okay, so this is trying to trick us because this one is mentioning the two words and it's giving different scenarios of something that happened. But remember, we want to emphasize a difference in the origin of the two words. B does not do that. Goodbye. Kavya Shiva Shankar won the 2009 Scripps National Spelling Bee by correctly spelling Laodicean, which derives from the ancient... Okay, so this one's only focusing on one word, so it literally doesn't even mention the other one. The Scripps National Spelling Bee uses words from diverse linguistic origins. This one's kind of trying to... Whoops, I don't want to pick that. This one's kind of trying to trick us because it says diverse linguistic origins, so... We see the word origins. This is something common to the SAT in general where you'll see the exact word from the question and you'll get really excited. But this is not the right answer because it's not actually emphasizing a difference between these two words. It's just saying that they come from different origins or, that they're included in a list of words from diverse linguistic origins. So that's not going to work, and our original answer A is definitely the right one. I hope you found that valuable, and you're definitely going to want to practice that strategy leading up to the May exam. Revolution Prep actually has created its own practice exams, including the same exact interface that you're going to deal with when you take a Blue Book practice exam or an actual digital SAT. So if you do want to go ahead and sign up for a free practice exam, use the link in the description.